Ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my voice sound so weak? Let's fix that, for real this time. Most videos will tell you to fake it, speak lower, breathe deeper, or mumble nonsense. But here's the truth. You can't force a deep voice overnight. You've got to build it, like muscle. 1. Breathe from your diaphragm, not your chest. You'll feel it when your stomach expands with every breath. 2. Slow your speech. Power doesn't rush. Let silence do half the talking. 3. Hum daily for 5 minutes. Feel the vibration in your chest. That's resonance. 4. Posture check. Straight spine, lifted chin. Your voice needs space to project. 5. Record yourself every night. Track the change. When you hear improvement, your confidence doubles, and confidence deepens your tone naturally. You don't need fake voice hacks. You just need consistency, control, and a reason to sound like someone who's sure of himself. So, are you ready to start sounding like the man you were meant to be?